Here we are going to present our project on the title Identification of Groundwater Quality in and around Pallikaranai Dumpsite Area and its Health Effect. The project members are Balakrishnan, Karthik, Pradeep and myself, guided by Mr. K. Riyaz Ahmad. Abstract. Majorly, the groundwater is the only source for drinking, domestic irrigation, industrial purpose because of unavailability of surface water resources. Groundwater is generally contaminated anthropogenic activities such as industrial effluents and discharge of sewage in open land and dumping of solid waste. So, the present study is carried out in Pallikaranai Dumpyard to identify groundwater contamination from the dump site by leachate process. The 10 water samples are collected randomly in and around this area. The tests are conducted to identify the parameters such as pH, turbidity, TDS, hardness, calcium, magnesium, sulfate, chloride, ion by APHA method and to identify the health effects by questionnaire survey in the study area. Objective: to analyze the groundwater characteristics in and around dumpyard, to identify the chemical parameters variation, analysis of health related effects. Problem identification: environmental pollution, groundwater contamination, deterioration of groundwater and health effects.
The methodology includes site exploration, data collection, water quality analysis, GI software analysis, questionnaire survey and its health effects. The experimental procedure includes sample collection, analysis of the sample, software analysis, GI software and APHA method. The literature review: we have referred the following literatures of groundwater contamination hazard, and these are the points we have referred which is very helpful for our project. And these are another literature which is provided by Martin with her. And this is our project duration, and rest will be continued by my friend.
This questionnaire survey, we framed a set of questions and asked the people to fill up. It includes 27 questions, which from this we collected the health status of the area where the people are affecting from heavy illness. These are the questions. These are the photos of our questionnaire survey. We went to this area and collected from people. This is a summary of the questionnaire survey, in which we collected the vector-borne disease and the water-borne diseases in this area of Thuraipakam, Perungudi and Pallikaranai. From this, the diseases such as cholera, dengue, malaria. This is the Pallikaranai. Here about the study area, we located in 3S map. Pallikaranai dump site is located in south of Velachery between Old Mahabalipuram Road and Velachery. It is latitude of 12 degree 57, 13.5. It is purely drained marshy land. This is a result of the questionnaire, the collected samples for 13 parameters such as pH, NTU, calcium, carbonate, magnesium, sulfate and ion. This is the location of the sample, collected sample, where the surface and groundwater are collected. This is the result of turbidity, which exceeds the BS standard as 2. This is a pH range. pH range is according to BS standard is 6.5 to 8.5. This must be in limit. And conductivity range is also exceeding in sample 3, 4, 5 as per IBS standard. It is a total dissolved solid. This range also exceeding sample 3, 4 and 5. This is a total hardness. For 3, 4, 5 samples, the hardness value increases, and calcium hardness, this also have the same status. So magnesium hardness, this is collected near to the dump site yard, that is Perungudi. It's a carbonate hardness. This must be nil, but in the sample 5 its value is very high. And calcium content, sample 3, 4, 5 is very contaminated. It's magnesium content. Normally all water have this magnesium content higher range. This is a chloride content. According to BS standard, it must be 250, and samples exceeding 3, 4, 5. It's a sulfate content. It's also exceeding the limit, and sample 3, 4, 5. It's a total ion. It's exceeding in 3, 4 as per BS standard. This is a dump site area detail. The Perungudi dump site was started in 1980. The total area is 200 acres, where 150 were dumped. Zone 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. 2,500 tons per day waste are collected. It's a waste composition such as plastics, paper, organic waste. We look at in GS map using ArcGIS software. This is the base map. This is a sample collected, 10 samples. So location of the sample in latitude and longitude. These are the health effects in the range of pH. It will lead to eye irritation, skin cancer, which must be in limit. From this, sample 3 and 6 are heavy contaminated, which is at Thuraipakam, turbidity range. It also causes the health concern, particularly for newborn babies, such as the sample 3, 4, and 5, 9 are heavy contamination. It's a TDS range. It may lead to cancer, coronary heart disease, etc. The level of TDS should be high in sample 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's a calcium and magnesium content. It also causes health illness such as muscle tissues, effect of during the treatment of cardiovascular muscles. All the sample nearly have heavy contaminated. The sulfate, it affects the people and cause more illness and damage to apical tissues. This is exceeding sample 3, 4, 5. It's a type of people affecting the health. Iron is essential element in human nutrition. Heavy contamination, which may lead to 50 milligram per day. It also contaminated in sample 3 or 4. And it's a chlorine content. It will also cause normal adult human body should be 81.7 gram. It also exceeding in 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Higher content. Its conclusion is study air is generally contaminated by solid waste dumping. These physicochemical parameters are exceeding the limit as per BS standard. The parameters such as calcium exceeding in all the sample of except 2 and 7, which may lead to skin rashes, eye irritation, and other. The magnesium, which leads to in sample except 2 and 7, which also leads to waterborne disease. The pH level also exceeding. The suggestion is the open dumping without any treatment, such as setting compaction, may lead to leach and development. Some further treatment will reduce the range. An environmental monitoring program should be conducted to create the self-awareness among the people. So the people should be affecting. Thank you.